In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add indicator script in TradingView. By the end, you'll know 3 straightforward ways to get indicators onto your chart. Using community scripts, adding your own through the Pine Editor, and applying invite-only scripts shared by trusted authors. Let's start with community scripts, which are pre-made and easy to explore. On your chart, click the Indicators button. The FX icon in the top menu. In the panel that opens, select the Community Scripts tab. This is a large library created by traders and developers. Use the search field to find the script you want. Then click it once. TradingView immediately adds it to your chart so you can see it in action. Community entries often include descriptions and author notes that help you understand the logic and intended use, so you can quickly judge whether the script aligns with your strategy or time frame. If the chart looks different right away, that's expected. Indicators can draw overlays on price or appear in their own panels, depending on how they're designed. Next, if you want to create or run a custom script, you'll use the Pine Editor. At the bottom of the screen, click Pine Editor to open the coding workspace. Click Open and select New Indicator if you are starting from scratch, or paste your code directly into the editor. When the code is in place, click Save so you can name your script and keep it organized for future sessions. Finally, click Add to Chart to apply the script to your current view. The editor shows any compile messages so you can confirm the script is valid. And once it's added, you'll see its outputs on the chart just like any other indicator. This approach is ideal for testing ideas or customizing logic to match your risk tolerance, asset class, or market conditions. Lastly, let's cover invite-only scripts, which are distributed by authors who grant access individually. Click Indicators in the top menu. When it appears, ensure it is selected, so it's added to your chart. Invite-only scripts typically appear only for accounts that have been granted access, so seeing it in the search results confirms it's available to use. After selection, it loads onto your chart with the creator's default settings. That's it. 3 practical ways to add indicator scripts in TradingView. From pre-made community tools to fully custom code and invite-only options,